This video is paid for by MGA Entertainment, who helped us create it. Isa, you're gonna get slimed.
No! 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 No!
Oh my goodness, you just got slime.
Oh, this is so nasty.
Hey guys, my name is Zaid, and this is my little brother,
Isa.
Hi Isa, how are you?
Good.
What do you guys have here?
Ready to robot.
This is so cool. We want to thank MGA Entertainment for sending us Series 1 of Ready to Robot. Moms and dads, you can purchase these at your local Toys R Us, Walmart, and Indigo. We got the big slime battle here, guys. Build, swap, and battle your mech bots. Over here, we got bot blasters. Our tag team battle pack. Over here, we got some pilots with slime. And we got some mech bots in here. This is all for ages what? Do you guys know? 5 plus. It's gonna be cool. You guys ready to open this up?
Yeah!
Alright, let's open up this big slime battle. Need some help?
Whoa.
Wow, look at this. So it has a dial on it. It looks like it's locked right now, guys. So what do you guys see here?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
So does that mean we gotta turn the dial to number 1 first?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what happens. Ready? Oh, wow! So we unlocked one of the mech bots. Alright, let's do this second one, Isa. You wanna do it? Oh, wow! So I think we got some probably weapon here. What do we got in here?
Fizz bath bomb.
Oh, bath bomb. So they must release some secrets in there, some secret tools, or maybe some more slime or figures. Alright, so let's keep turning. What do we gotta do now? Turn it to 3. Oh, that popped open. So we got some more tools probably and more fizz bombs. Number 4.
Another
mech bot. This is so cool. So what happens if we keep on turning this?
Maybe.
Let's turn it to unlock. So keep turning it. And what happens when we pull it up?
Whoa.
It's a secret compartment.
There's slime.
Is it a slime bottle? Let's take that out. Oh, so we got some slime in here. Is there a little figure in there?
Maybe.
I don't know. Alright, so let's put that to the side. Let's open this up. Let's pick this up. Got it under here. It's our battle bot. So here's a container that we're going to use to throw the bat bombs in. Character guide. These are all the men. All these guys over here. And you can interchange all their arms, their legs. This is amazing. Put this back on top. Alright, so let's take out these guys here. I'm going to open some of these. Let's take this out. And let's close up this. So let's move this to the side. And let's get our glass bottle here. Alright guys, we got our slime pods all set up. We have our, what color is this, guys?
Pink.
Pink. What color is this one, Isa?
Green.
This one. What color is this one?
Purple.
Purple. And this last one?
Blue.
Blue. Alright guys, so what color do you want to drop in the water first?
Pink one.
Alright, let's take the pink one and let's drop this slime pod in here. Open it up first. Okay, take it out with your hand and let's put it in there. And let's drop the slime pod in there. Oh, look what's happening, guys. What's happening, Isa?
It's turning pink.
There's a reaction happening. It's fizzing up. You guys hear it?
Yeah. It's a weird sound it's making.
Guys, you see what's happening to it?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Slime.
That's right, the water's turning into slime. What color is our slime?
Pink. Red.
It's like pinkish red.
Oh.
See, you want to put your hand in there, Isa? Oh.
I can feel it.
Oh.
It looks like that.
You see that? Pick it up. Oh, look what it looks like. Can you like break it apart a bit? Do you know what it is?
It's a gun.
It's a gun. It's going to squirt out the slime for us. All right, let's grab that and take that out. All right, let's put this to the side and let's open up the next one. All right, we got some fresh water. Let's open up the next one. Let's take this green color. So you're going to open it up for us. All right.
Kenny.
Oh, look what's happening. It's fizzing up. It's turning into slime. What do you think we're going to get in this one?
Another gun.
Oh, I see something, guys. It's almost done. There's still a little bit left. Oh, it made it out, guys. What is it?
A gun.
It's another gun. Let's take that out and let's clean it up. And let's switch this water and let's put the other slime pod in. We got some fresh water and now it's time to add our next slime pod. Let's grab this purple slime pod and let's open up this purple slime pod. Oh, wow. And put this one in. There it goes. Wow, that's so cool how it reacts. Start to turn into slime.
Whoa.
This one's making a lot of sound. You guys hear it?
Yeah. Probably has a big thing inside it. It probably has a jackhammer.
Wow, listen.
It's coming up. Like,
It's fizzing so much.
it smells weird.
What does it smell like?
Vinegar,
It smells fresh.
some slime, and soap.
What color is the slime?
Purple.
Turn to purple. Alright. See anything yet?
Nope.
Alright, let's give it some time. Oh, I see something.
I think it's a turtle.
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 I don't think it's a turtle, but I see something.
It's a golden gun.
Wow. Alright, let's pick that up. And let's go wash that up. And let's get some more fresh water so we can open up our last slime pot. Alright? What color is our last slime pot?
Blue.
Alright, let's put that blue slime pot in there. You got that,
It's gonna be
Isa?
something big.
Alright. Take that slime pot and let's put that in there. Whoa, what color is this, guys?
It's blue.
That's so nice. You guys see anything yet?
Nope. Nope.
Can you hear this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give it some time and then we'll come back to it. See it?
Yeah, it's so big.
That's so cool. Can we see from the side? No, not yet. The slime is turning. Alright, let's give it some more time. Guys, it's out. What is it?
It's another
Another
gun.
slime gun. Alright, let's take that out and let's clean it up. And we're done with this water. So this is all the slime we have here. Let's see it. Pull it.
Yeah.
Oh. It's gonna get more slime. It's gonna get more slime. Alright, so let's get this cleaned up and let's get our mech bots out of these pods over here. So we got all our slime weapons over here. Do you know how they work, guys?
Yep.
Can you show us how they work?
So first you take these black ones off. You push them and then you put them in slime and then you let them go and then it'll fill up and then you can shoot it by pressing it.
Oh wow, that's cool. What about this one over here?
That one. Same
So
thing.
this is the same concept. So you gotta open it up and you push back there and
then-
release it in the slime and it should
then
fill up the
shoot it.
slime. Wow, that's cool. We got our pods over here. What color pods is this one?
Blue.
Blue. And what color is this one, Isa?
Green.
Green. Alright, so which one should we open up?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Alright, Isa, you get to open which one? The green one? Over here you can see that there's numbers, right?
Yeah.
What numbers do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So then the sticker says over here, open here section. We got it? Alright, what do we got in here?
2.
2 packs, alright. Let's open up these 2 packs. Let's see it over here, Isa. What do we got? Let me see that. Oh, so we got the torso. What do we got in here? What do we got here? Oh, wow. Let's see. Okay, let's put that on the side. Let's see. We gotta open up number 2 now. So let's open up number 2. Let's open that one up. Got it? What do we got in there?
The leg.
Got it? Oh, what do we got here?
Another leg.
Another leg. So let's open up the third one. This is number 3. Alright, I'll help you. Open it up. Alright, how many do we got in here? 1, 2, 3 packs. Let's see.
It's an.
Oh, it looks like an arm.
It looks
Having an
like
arm
a
as
weapon.
Got it. Let's see. So we
Another
got
weapon.
2 arms, we got legs, we got torso.
It's got
Got in here. We got another piece there.
it's a shovel, I
That's
think.
so cool. Alright, we got our last number 4. What does it say over here? It says push here. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's flip this over and push down on it.
Whoa.
That's so cool. Let's
This
see.
fell.
Oh, it fell? That fell. That popped off. Alright, let's turn it around. And there is our slime. What color is that slime?
Orange.
Orange. Is there a figure in there?
Yep.
Oh, there's something in there. Yeah, let's open it up. Get it? Got it here.
Like this.
This plastic off. Alright. Lisa, you think you can get him out? Got him out? Let's bring him over here. Let's see, take the slime out of him. You get all the slime off? Get all the slime? Oh, let's see the slime.
It's cool.
What color is that slime?
Orange.
Alright, so let's put this orange slime back in its container. For now, we're gonna use that later. Got it? Put it back in there?
Too icky.
Alright, put it back in there. Let's put this slime back up here. Hold it there for a while. Alright guys, let's start assembling our bot. So let's grab the torso. Let's put the leg in, connect the leg. Let's grab the other parts.
This.
Here's our mech bot assembled. Let's put our little figure inside. Connect him on, and he's ready to battle. Alright, I think he needs a partner to battle with. So let's open up our blue pod. Alright guys? Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's open this up. How many packs we got here?
1, 2, 3. Whoa. This is like a chain.
Oh, that's a cool tool. Alright, let's open up the next pack. What do we got here?
Another chainsaw.
Another, oh wow.
It is.
It's a torso. Alright. Got some more in there. How many more? 1, 2. Alright. Got there. So we got some other part.
Leg.
Looks like a leg, alright. And
Another leg.
got it. Okay. So how many do we got in there?
1, 2.
Alright, so let's open this.
Looks like a weapon.
Okay, so let's put that on the side. And what do we got there?
Another.
Oh, another weapon. We got one more piece in there, right?
Yep.
Oh, this is the fun part. Alright, so we gotta push this. Let's turn it around. And let's see this thing pop out. Ready? Oh, wow. Alright, let's turn that over. Let's see what falls out. Oh, we got another orange slime. Is there something in there? Should be a pilot in there?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, so let's open that up. Let's free that pilot. Got it off. Oh, slimy. And get the, where's the pilot? Get the pilot out. Can you get out? He's drowning in slime. Oh, there he is. Let's see, stand him up. The cool rebel. Alright, let's assemble his bot for him so he can take a seat in it. Alright, we got our mech bot all assembled. We need our pilot
Put
to
him
get in. Alright, get in there.
Ah.
Oh, it looks so cool. Alright, where's our other mech bot?
Right
Bring him over here. Let's see these guys side by side. These guys are almost ready to battle, but we still got to open up our black pods, guys. So let's open up these black pods and let's see what's inside of them.
Let's
Let's open up this black pod and let's see what's. Whoa! Wow!
Oh, wow.
Let's see what's in there. We got
Some missiles.
missiles.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright.
Whoa.
Oh, so we got some more attachments that we can add to our mech bots. Oh, that's so cool.
Looks like a helmet.
Alright. So with our mech bots, we can actually change them around. We can actually use weapons from the other mech bots and attach them to other mech bots. So there's over 1,000 combinations of assembling mech bots. Oh, we got,
Same thing.
we got another part.
This.
Alright. What do you think we got in there?
Ooh.
Oh, we got some launchers. That's cool. So we can add that to our
Mech box.
Alright, so let's grab this black pod and let's open this black pod up. Oh, wow. So what do we get in there?
1, 2.
Got some 2 missiles. Let's put the missiles on the side. Alright,
1,
let's.
2, 3, and 4.
There's another attachment for the mech bots. Oh, wow. There's your launcher. Alright, some more attachments. Open that up. What do we got in there?
4. It looks like another helmet.
All right, so let's assemble this onto our mech bots and let's get them ready for battle. So here's our mech bots all assembled and we're ready to load the weapons up. Put it in there and push back until it clicks. Got it?
Clicked in. And
Yours in there? All right, yours is ready. Yours is ready too. So how do you launch these things? There's a button here somewhere, right? Where's your button?
Right
Your
there.
button's right there on the side.
And mine
And
is
your
right.
button's right there on the side. Alrighty, so show me what your launchers can do. Oh, wow. Let's see what your launcher can do. Oh, wow, that's so cool. We got our mech bots all assembled and they're ready to go with their pilots. You guys ready to battle it out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see who gets the first shot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, so Zay gets the first shot. Alright, let's line them up. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so let's take a look. Will he get it shot? Oh, and he gets it. Nice shot. Let's see. Will he get him? Oh, misses him.
Miss you.
Oh, no, he got slime. What are you going to do about that, Zayd?
Get revenge on him. Like
Oh,
that.
no, he got slime too. Oh, my goodness. Weapon. Oh, he gets a hit. Oh, he gets him. Oh, missed him. Blast. Oh, and he goes. Oh, and he misses it too. Whoa, what a shot. That was amazing. Isa, it's your shot. You ready? You gotta aim at him, bring it down, and go. Oh,
yeah.
oh my goodness.
Oh yeah? You got slime.
Oh, the slime too.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the big slime battle toy review. Make sure
Hey guys, I'm Isa.
a word from iKIDSWORLD. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.